Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of the OSO Inspired Collaboration. Now, this month we were sent out some lovely handmade tags as an inspiration to create. So, inspired by that, we decided to create our own tags but with a slight twist. So, today we'll be using the Kaisercraft True Love paper collection and some collectibles by Kaisercraft, which are from the Treasured Moments collection. For our base, we decided to use this tickets die by Peekaboo Designs, and we cut out a few bases from the paper pack. So here's a look at the bases. So we'll be creating a few tags just to show you how quick and easy it is to get this done. So this is our base, and we need all of them to be punched in the center so that we can tie them or put them in a ring binder or however. So just going to grab the crocodile and punch the centers. So with that done, we have the holes punched. Here you can see first made a mistake by punching a 1/8 inch, but that's okay. Any which ways we're going to be layering, so that really doesn't matter. Now what we've also done is we've not thrown away the remaining cutouts when we cut the base, because these are good for layering, as well as just some random designs from the cover of the paper pack and the bottom of each sheet, which comes with some design or a quote. So we're going to be incorporating all of these into our layering, and we've also die cut a few leaves just to add some depth to the layers. I'm just going to open out this entire collectibles pack to know what we have for our layering. So just contrasting the colors on the layers. So with that base in place, we can just use some glue or double-sided tape and stick all of this down. So here you can always use washi, buttons, amphora, anything that you really have in your stash, and add depth to your layers. So I'm just going to use a stapler and get the layers down in place instead of using glue. It just makes things easier. And now just using some of these elements to add the final touches. So for this we can use glue. Of course we can add many more elements. So like we said earlier, buttons, even the lace can be added as a bottom layer for some contrast. Maybe a doily. So we'll just set these aside and grab some doily as well for a few more tags. So we'll work on 2 more tags now and use doily for our layering. So with that, we have two more tags done. Now you can always, like I said, you can always tie strings and then these make tags. But what we are going to do is use them for a mini album. So all we're going to do is have a tag and punch a few photos and add it and just make it like a ring album. So quickly gonna show you another similar one that we've done. So basically this is year in review and dividing the album into each quarter. So that's for Jan, February and March. So it's the tags and then they have photos. And we don't need to have pictures on every page, but we could just have these tags to divide the pictures and create something. So these tags would really look good for an album like this. So an album like this can be another option with these quick tags. Like you can see, they're just very easy to create. All you got to do is gather all your elements, collect your die cards, your collectibles, your amphora, buttons, sequins, anything really, and just begin layering. And this such a project is another best way to use up paper scraps and paper strips. So if you have anything stored, you could always use them in these layers and you can see how beautiful they look when they're layered on top of each other. So hope we've inspired you to pull out your stash and use up all your scraps and create something. Also, do hop with us and visit every participant's channel because there's a lot of inspiration out there and it's amazing to see how everybody creates something with just one inspiration piece provided. So do like, share and subscribe to our channels. Leave us all some love and until our next episode, take care and bye-bye.